finding the right software platform for your company shouldn't be a fairy tale. In the world of environmental consulting, finding the perfect tool is like Goldilocks looking for the perfect porridge. Some software tries to be everything to everyone. Like a bed that's too hard or too soft, they are trying to serve the needs of many, while Wildnote focuses on the specific needs of environmental consultants. Others are too small, focusing on just a single facet of your business, like wetland delineations, leaving you juggling multiple tools when you need to handle other aspects of the project. Enter Wildnote, the platform that's just right. Designed specifically for environmental consultants, it lets you document field data quickly and accurately on your mobile device. No more paper forms, no more hassle. With workflows tailored to your needs and built-in QA to ensure accuracy, Wildnote helps you create reports in a snap. It's like Goldilocks finding her perfect fit, but for your fieldwork and reporting. So why settle for too big or too small? Choose Wildnote, the perfect fit for environmental consultants. Wildnote supports wetland delineations and stream work, construction compliance and stormwater reporting, cultural resources and paleontology monitoring, and biological resources surveys, including tailor-made features such as built-in taxonomy and integrated ArcGIS tools so you can ditch the app switch. Add in a robust web application platform, plus agency-approved reports, and you'll see that sometimes fairy tales really do come true. Start your free trial today. Go to wildnoteapp.com.